Hello my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using meme coins. A lot of people have made a lot of money in the recent days, more so in paper coin, but you don't know the trick behind on how they can use these tricks and get a lot of money in advance. Some of them they can make money even in 7 days, even less. So just stick with me until the very end. Even at the end, I'll give you a very big secret that you have never had anywhere. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. With that said, let's straight dive into the video. Practically, there is some things that are impossible to happen. These meme coins, when you see a meme coin like Shiba Inu, its current price, it is 0.0000720, almost 5 zeros to reach on $0.1. So it means they need like 1,000,000% to reach on their goal of $1. But there is something that I would like to show you. When you see the circulating supply, when I say circulating supply, here I mean the coins that currently are tradable or are in circulation. So when you see the total supply, this is the whole amount of Shiba Inu coins that are supposed to be in circulation. As of current right now, the one that are in circulation, they are 589 trillions. And the one which are supposed to be in circulation, they are supposed to be 999 trillions. So it means if Shiba Inu reaches on $1, it means it will be equivalent to 999 trillions. But as of current, when you see a country, the biggest country or the most superpower country in money, as of current, like America, it has 145.8 trillions. But if Shiba reaches on $1, it means it will be richer than US like 10 times. So you can see that some of these things are very impossible. So when you see a coin like paper coin, it has 420 trillions on its maximum supply, and its total supply, it is the same. And this one shows that the whole of paper coins are already in circulation. When you come on its current price, it has almost 5 zeros to reach on $1. So it means if at all paper coin reaches on $1, it will be equivalent to 420 trillions. So those are impossible things that you should forget and focus on how you can make money. But still, there is some coins that have hope of reaching on $1. This coin is called Dogecoin. It is ranked number 9 on CoinMarketCap. But when you see its current price, it is 0.06. So it means it is just remaining with only 1 zero to reach on at least 1.1. And when you see its all-time high, it is 0.7. But let me give you a secret behind this coin. As of current, this coin, it has the total supply of 140 billions, and the circulating supply, it is all still 140 billions. So it means by the time to reach on $1, it will be having just 140 billions. So this one, it means it can reach there because it is still very low, and we expect with time soon they can still ban some Doge coins so that they can maximize their price. So before you enter in any meme coin to buy those coins, some of the people, they buy like 1 million of any meme coin. Might be paper coin, might be Shiba Inu, and they expect that might be, let me hold this coin until it reaches on $1. Impossible, and it will take 100 years might be to come to reach there. So you have to see the total supply, the maximum supply, and the circulating supply of that paper coin or any coin that you're going to buy, so that you can make a very significant figure. But when you're using your brain, let's say I'm going to buy like Shiba Inu, and this is the secret that I told you I'm going to give you. The first thing that you have to consider, it is the money that you want to invest. So let's say I want to buy coins of equivalent 1,000 US dollar. So I'm going to come here on the converter. In most cases, you can use your own calculator, but to me, I use this calculator of CoinGecko. It means if I'm to buy these coins, I need like 15 million. So you can come here, then you put your 1,000. After getting this amount, like of 1,000, you take these coins straight into your calculator, your normal calculator. Then you're going straight on any exchange that you are using. You come here, you predict that maybe when I buy from here, let's say I have bought from this very percentage, then I want it to make maybe 1,000. So you predict that if at all it reaches on this percent, then I will quit the market. So let's say you want to buy from there and you want, if the market goes up 349%, then I will quit the market. Then you target that market. So you can hold maybe for a year, it depends on how you want it, maybe for a week, it depends. So depending on how you have made your fundamentals and your analysis. So once it reaches there, you multiply this very price where you want to sell from, and you multiply with these ones that you've already got. Once you calculate these ones, that is the amount that you're going to get. Then you hold according to the fundamentals. Remember, this is not a financial advice. So first make your own research before you invest your money. So after making that calculation, and you expect how many days or how many years or how many time according to the percentage that you have calculated, so you wait for that percentage. That is the way how many people are making money in these meme coins, but not just holding 1 million of Shiba Inu, expecting that maybe if it reaches on $1, then I'm going to make a lot of money and become a millionaire, billionaire, and plus. So that one will not happen unless you first make your own research on those meme coins that you're going to buy. Please, if you have found value in this video, don't go without sharing. Like this very video. Let this video goes viral so that very many people understand how they can get this trick and make money in advance. Bye for today. Good luck.